Alright guys, we're back down here in the shop today. We got a little bit of work done yesterday. Didn't bring any video and didn't do any video, and it was kind of a long day, a frustrating day, but was able to get the left front upper control arm mount put in where it needed to go. Took us a little time to get the caster. We mocked the entire left front suspension up. Got the caster camber set. Once we got the caster camber set, then we kind of clamped that bracket there into midair, welded some fixtures going down to the table to hold it in place, clamped it off to the frame rails to where it couldn't move, and then built the, I guess you could call it the C-shaped upper control arm mounts there. Still got some more bracing to do to them and to fully weld them and everything, but it's in there. It's where it's supposed to be, as long as nothing gets changed on suspension points or suspension brackets or anything. We should be able to call that good. So we're going to try to move on. I'm going to try to work a little bit more on the J-bar bracket today, get it fully installed, get it braced up. I'm going to start putting the seatbelt tabs in, get them situated, and probably start trying to add some more bracing. I'm still waiting on the right front upper control arm. It hasn't came in quite yet, so I can't do that side. I can probably go ahead and cut the other plate for this rack cross member here to plate that up and get it all strengthened up. Can go ahead and make some more braces for the engine mount, and we're trying to find us a water pump. We got us a water pump there, but it don't have the hub or the shaft in it. To mock the fan and the radiator up, get it placed in. We found one over there, but it's a long style water pump. Don't really know. I wonder if we can pull the hub out of that one and put in this one. So we're coming along. We're going slowly but surely, but we're making good progress and we're getting there. So that's all we can ask for. Not sure how much we'll get to do. There's winter storms coming and all that. I think most of it all went north of us this morning, but Huntsville and Florence area, the last I saw on James Spann was pretty bad. So I think a lot of our stuff is either going to come tonight into the morning, in the morning, or tomorrow night into Monday morning. So we'll just have to play that by ear. I'm sure we start having to close roads or things like that, I'm sure I'll end up having to go to work, so I obviously won't get to do anything here. But anyways, we'll keep you guys posted. If you hadn't checked out Patreon, Patreon's already got an update and some pictures of all this left front control arm mount and everything. Head over there, the link will be in the description. Get signed up to support it over there. We're gonna get in here and get to work, and we'll pick you guys back up here in just a little bit.
Alright guys, so we're back out here. What day? Saturday?
Yeah, I done that video.
Okay, Brad's done a beginning video. So we're trying to get a radiator mounted in here.
Sitting on this part over here.
What are you sitting on?
The radiator.
So what exactly are you trying to accomplish here?
Trying to get the radiator mounted.
Okay, so I know you guys, I've got the...
Are you touching over there on
I've got the microphone on, so when the microphone's on, you can't really hear them talking. So he is trying to get the radiator mounted here. So we're trying to figure out this audio. And our audio is always struggling a little bit, so work with us.
Another block. Where's the other one?
Look in the block.
Right there.
It's cold up here.
Yeah, he knocked the insulation out a while ago.
Yeah, Brad, so when we knock, that's our attic. We've got all kinds of junk up there, and he knocked it out. And I have not done a very good job with the fire. Alright, so that's what they're working on there. Here is the current state of the car. She's looking real good. I don't know if Brad showed you guys this or not. I'll show it to you if he hasn't. Let's go over here.
Let's do that.
Oh, look at that. It's good looking out there. That looks real good. Although when I came in here yesterday, he was real mad that that took a lot of time. to get done. So anyway, but I do have the fire going now. Shiny proof. She's rolling.
Bottoms.
Hold on.
Pretty close to 3 inches up there.
Yeah. What is that?
Your arm rack up.
So that right there is about where it needs to go.
Well, how come I'm 3.5 now?
Cause I moved it.
Are you gonna have plenty of room for that A on?
Yeah, they on way up here. Alright guys, so got our engine mounts braced up. I think Dallas videoed while we was putting the radiator in. I'm not 100% sure. But got the diagonal braces on the engine mounts on both sides. Got that took care of. Did get the seatbelt tabs tacked in tonight. Got those tacked in. Got another brace here for the J-bar. Got 2 more braces on it. Guys, I think we're coming along really good. We've made a lot of progress the last couple of days, or the last week or so. And if I'm making funny faces or talking, it's because I got 2 mouth ulcers I've had for like a week now, and they're rough. So, anyways, we're gonna call it quits tonight. It's starting to rain here, and I'm gonna just go take it easy tonight, just in case we was to get called in tonight or first thing in the morning. I'm somewhat rested up, not just shot and whooped. So,
All right, guys. So let's come over here and take a look at what the guys are doing. Now, with this media mod on here, the microphone's a little bit different, so I'm getting used to that. So if the sound is off, I apologize. I'm trying to figure this out. All right, so what are y'all working on?
Stirring shack.
Steering wheel. All right. All right, guys, I picked up the camera 3 times in one night. I think that's a record for first time in a while. But anyway, so this was what the guys were working on a minute ago. I'm gonna show you and then I'm gonna try to talk so the audio is okay. All right, so they got the radiator mount on. So anyway, what he's working on now is aggravating. Just need to punch you in the face. All right, so we're working on the bars. Put the mic on and see if you guys can hear me a little bit better. And I'm actually gonna remember to plug it up because the other day I had it on and I didn't even plug it up to the camera. Still figuring this stuff out. All right. Out. All right. If you guys are in the market for a welder, this ArcCaptain MIG 250, we've done a video on it. Great welder. I'd like it as well as this ArcCaptain helmet. Not just saying that because they sent it to us. That's because if we don't like something, y'all gonna know. Alright guys, so he's gonna weld those door bars in. And I'm gonna turn this camera off and do a couple of shorts and stuff. And then we'll pick back up the camera if he gets anything else done.
All right guys, so we got the door bars done. All the door braces. Got the foot support done. Protect anything coming in there. On that side, I got the rack plate somewhat plated over there. I just got it tacked in and welded in a couple spots. Did end up having to move our radiator support there about 1/4 of an inch to the front of the car to clear the rack. So good thing I just tacked it in the other day. We're gonna call it quits for tonight. Oh yeah, did get the steering column moved. That bracket there was on this side of the tube, so it was pushing the heim really far out this way, and it was making my lower shaft here too short. So I cut it off, moved that bracket towards the inside of the car to get this steering shaft closer to the engine bar. And now the lower shaft is perfect. I don't have to cut anything, don't have to buy anything new. We're, like I said, keeping it simple. We're trying to keep everything simple, trying to keep everything as cheap as possible to a certain extent. And we're moving right along. So I think, I'm almost positive the driver's side of the cage is done. That area, gotta still do some more bracing up there on the front suspension. Probably try to get all that done, and then get it to where I can start on the interior sheet metal. I want to try to make the floor pans, want to try to make the firewall and the shifter tunnel. That way I can get my drive shaft loop to the proper height of the shifter tunnel to support the shifter tunnel and everything. Probably try to go ahead and do the majority of the interior sheet metal, maybe some of the deck metal, before we ever pull it off the jig or flip it over. That way it's bare metal. If I scratch it up, it's bare metal. It's not gonna hurt my feelings that bad than it would after I paint the car or the chassis and then start doing deck metal work and scratch it all up. So we're coming along, we're getting there, but we're gonna call it quits for tonight. It's late. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't know if this will be the end of it or not, but appreciate everyone who helps us out. Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co., WJI Enterprise, BB Designs, Penske Racing Shocks, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes, PPM Racing Products, and all you guys over here. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one.